Hi folks. Today we're going to talk about data-intensive features and applications, and specifically how your software teams can more quickly and more easily ship these potentially really powerful experiences for your end users. My name's Chris, and I'm a co-founder at 514, and I've been building data-intensive B2B and consumer experiences my entire career, including most recently leading technical product management at Nike for the core platforms that power all of Nike's mobile and web experiences, which are used by hundreds of millions of consumers every month. So first off, though, why should we even care about or prioritize data-intensive features? These features, like dynamic visualizations, like rich data exploration interfaces, like tools for AI agents, they tend to be really value additive to your users. Not only do they drive up engagement and retention, but they tend to attract your highest value users, allowing you to segment and target these users for further engagement. Now, on the technical side of things, there are generally two types of features or applications that each require very different types of backend architectures. Most classic user experiences require a transactional or OLTP backend, which is optimized to create, read, and update records quickly and efficiently. The data-driven features that we're interested in, though, they require a specialized analytical or OLAP backend, which is designed to analyze and aggregate records at scale. Now, the unfortunate thing is that these analytical backends, they tend to be a pain to work with for software developers. And it's not your engineering team's fault, it's the fact that the data and analytics stack has really been built out over the past couple decades primarily for internal IT use cases like data warehousing and BI reporting. So now you've got this whole specialized stack of technologies that you have to assemble together with glue and duct tape and a ton of boilerplate code. And on top of that, the vast majority of these technologies have really poor developer experiences where they tend to not run well locally. They tend to not have iterative and IDE-based experiences. And they tend to not fit naturally into the modern software development lifecycle with version control and code reviews and CI/CD and everything that your dev team is used to. And what that boils down to then is if you want to invest in these data-intensive features, which can be transformative for your users and for your product, you've got two options, and neither is really great. Either you try building on top of what your dev team likely knows and already has in place, which is the transactional stack, but then you're going to have performance issues because you're not using the tool for the job that it was designed for, and every investment that you make to shore up the stack will just increase your tech debt as you move towards an inevitable re-architecture. Or, option number two, you try to build out a new dedicated analytical backend, which means suffering through the poor developer experience we just discussed, or hiring up and training up on new skills and technology, and maybe most painfully, delaying the release of your end user experience, the actually valuable part, as you invest in re-architecting your backend. This, of course, is where 514 comes in. Our platform allows you to leverage the power of the OLAP stack without all of its complexity. This means you can ship your data-intensive features in weeks. You can meet the performance expectations of your end users, and you can do all of this with your current developer team, operating with the technologies and the workflows that you know and love. So how do we do this? 514 has three core products that help accelerate data-intensive feature development. First is Moose, which is an open source data engineering framework that abstracts away the OLAP stack's complexity and keeps your developers productive. Next is Boreal, which is a managed hosting service that enables your developers to deploy into production in a single click. And finally, our Aurora AI agents embed directly into your developers' workflows to enable them to build features with the help of AI. And if you need additional capacity, we also offer white glove services augmented by AI agents to accelerate development on your highest priority work. So when should you consider adopting 514? If you're building a brand new product, you're just trying to make it work so you can get to market as soon as possible, if you know that data-intensive features will be core to your application, then it's almost definitely worth it to invest in the right stack from the start. Or maybe you're at the stage of scaling your product. Maybe you're seeing performance issues from an increasing user base, from increasing data volumes, or maybe you're seeing tech debt start to slow you down. Then 514 can help you unblock that rapid growth, accelerate your feature delivery speed with a quick and easy re-architecture. And finally, if you've got a mature platform, you're trying to optimize costs, maybe you're questioning the ROI of a costly re-architecture, then 514 can help you flip that equation and justify investing in the right tool for the job to optimize your spend. I'll leave you quickly with an actual case study from one of our customers. F45 is a global gym franchise with thousands of studios, hundreds of thousands of member athletes, and billions of data points from their IoT heart rate monitors. With 514's developer-friendly capabilities, F45's development team was able to quickly and easily roll out an entirely re-architected, interactive mobile experience. These data-intensive features targeted their highest value users, enabling them to more deeply engage with their biometric data, and really increasing their overall engagement and satisfaction with their workouts and with their gym experience, making them more likely to renew and increase their membership. All right, hopefully it's clear now both how important and valuable data-intensive features can be for your product and for your business, and how 514 can help you to quickly and easily deliver the scalable, performant, dev-friendly backends that you need to power these critical features. If you'd like to talk to our engineering team or our sales team, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can learn more and book a demo at 514.com or reach us at hello@514.com. Thanks for your time.